Alright, so today I got another $200 Miata video. I'm going to take the diff out of it and get it up to work and weld it and see how it is, because I've never driven a car with a welded diff before and I've heard it was absolutely terrible, so I'm going to give it a shot. Alright, so I'm back on this tonight. It's been like 2 days since I touched it. I did get the rear diff mounted back up in there. I just gotta connect everything. But before that, I gotta eat this pumpkin pie. I was really debating on putting this back together because look at these fucking springs. I want to put like coilovers on here before I do that, but these bolts down here are seized. This thing's a mess. Alright, and this is where I left off a couple days ago. I got the diff mounted back in, no fluid in it yet. The axle's mounted on it. The drive shaft's over there. And yeah, I'm slowly getting it back together. I didn't bring any fluid home, so that sucks. There's so much fucking rust and change under here. Maybe I can just go buy a new Miata, I guess. Fuck yeah, spinny rolly shaft is on, so let's get the wheels on this and lower it down, and then tomorrow when I get off work, put some fucking fluid in it. It's nice to see Bob made it back to me in the Miata. It's been a minute. He was in the CRV and we set him up for Halloween. Also, the last time this car was seen, it was red. I've since then painted it. A nice, pretty berry pink. I'm not done yet, obviously. I still got a couple more things to do on it. Like, I'm gonna paint these wheels because right now it looks like a Barbie car. And yes, the hood is chalkboard now. I'm kind of getting a lot of shit over it, but it is chalkboard. See? But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there with the Miata video for now. Obviously there's not that much content on it. I kind of skipped out on it because I'm not allowed to do that much stuff at work. But my main goal for the night was to get it back together. You can't tell, I'm absolutely exhausted. I've been working 9-10 hours a day, then coming home and trying to rustle my cars together. It's pretty exhausting. But yeah, I'll eventually get fluid in the Miata. Maybe at the start of the next video and go take it out on a test drive and maybe do some skids in it.